Hi, Paul from Get Smart Accountants here. So today I'm just going to show you a quick video on how to raise a quote within Xero. So on your Xero dashboard, go to Business and select Quotes. That'll bring you to this screen where your quotes are. Next, click on New Quote. Type in your customer's name. I'm just going to use a default name that we've got set up in the demo company in Xero here of ABC Furniture. It will automatically default the quote date to being the current day, and if that's okay, leave that as it is. The expiry date, if you offer 14 days or 30 days expiry on your quotes, then you can type in plus 14 or plus 30, and that will automatically calculate the quote expiry date. The quote number is automatically defaulted to be the next one, and I can show you how to change that at a later date. Reference number, that can be a purchase order number from your customer and maybe their name, and then you can add a title. So it might be that you're doing a new brand logo. So just type that in there. The summary allows you to put up to 3,000 characters in to give you a bit more information about what it is that you're quoting. So we'll just type something in there. Type something quick so you get the idea. And then we'll put in the description of what it is that you're providing, how many you're providing, and the unit price, and it will always default to sales. And that gives you the idea of the quote. At the bottom, you can add your own terms and conditions in. Now, you can set these as a default if your terms and conditions are the same across the board for all customers, or you can type a manual set of terms in here. I recommend that you set some defaults. That will make it easy for you to raise your quotes, but also gives uniformity across all of your clients. And then all you do is just click send, and that sends that email out to your client. Make sure the email address is right. It puts some basic information in there about the quote, and then you can send that off to your client. Nice and simple.